Millions of drivers get behind the wheel every day thinking they're safe. But the truth is, your car is hiding features, tricks, and emergency systems that could literally save your life, prevent expensive repairs, and protect you from scams, breakdowns, and accidents. And the crazy part? Almost no one knows they exist. Not your dealership, not your mechanic, not even most car experts on YouTube. But today, you're about to become the person everyone wishes they knew during a roadside emergency. Because these are the 15 hidden car secrets that separate everyday drivers from people who actually know what they're doing. And trust me, number one is so wild that once you hear it, you're going to check your car immediately. Let's start with the first one most drivers accidentally ignore for years. Secret number 15, your mirror's hidden mind-reading mode. Parallel parking shouldn't be a gamble, and yet most drivers scrape their rims like it's a personality trait. But your car actually has a built-in parking view mode most people never activate. When you shift into reverse, your passenger mirror can automatically tilt down and reveal the curb and your wheel like a drone camera. All you do is move your seat to a memory position, switch to reverse, tilt the mirror once, save, and that's it. Every time you back up, perfect angle. No guessing, no grinding your rims, no stress. It's like your car is whispering, "Relax, I've got you." But if you think your mirrors are smart, wait till you see what your key fob has been hiding from thieves. Secret number 14, the anti-theft trick using something you already have at home. Car thieves don't pick locks anymore. They use wireless relay scanners that capture your key fob's signal through walls. They can steal a $70,000 SUV in under 45 seconds without touching your keys. But the simplest defense? A sheet of aluminum foil. Yep, wrap your fob at night and you've just created a zero-cost Faraday cage that blocks all signals. Criminal scanners? Dead. Wireless unlock devices? Dead. Your driveway suddenly becomes a fortress. It's the cheapest, fastest anti-theft system you'll ever use, and it stops thousands of dollars in potential losses with a literal home product. Now let's jump from foil to nail polish. Yes, really. Secret number 13, the $5 crisis saver in the cosmetics aisle. A tiny rock chip in your windshield can become a $900 replacement, but one thin coat of clear nail polish can stop that crack from spreading instantly. It forms a temporary seal using the same chemical base as automotive clear coat. Even scratches in your paint can be disguised until you get a proper fix. Mechanics won't tell you this trick because small cracks turn into big repair bills. You'll stop it for $5. And now we go from nail polish to potatoes, the hack that sounds fake until you try it. Secret number 12, the potato window trick that pilots used in war. Foggy windows feel like driving through a cloud, but fighter pilots used a shockingly simple solution: the inside of a raw potato. Rub it on your window, buff it out, and you'll create a hydrophilic layer that stops fog from forming for weeks. Not a spray, not a gadget, a potato. It works because the starch absorbs moisture before it becomes fog. No smell, no mess, and it works better than most $15 anti-fog bottles. Speaking of saving yourself from suffering, let's talk about your steering wheel. Secret number 11. The 5-second move that stops your hands from burning. Ever sit down, grab your steering wheel, and nearly scream because it's hotter than the sun? Flip your steering wheel upside down when you park. That's it. The top half bakes in the sun, but the part you actually touch stays in the shade. You get into your car, flip it back, and boom, cool grip. It even confuses thieves for a second, which is sometimes all you need. Before we go further, hit that subscribe button if you're learning something new, and especially if you want to keep your wallet, your safety, and your sanity intact. Because the next trick is one mechanics literally laugh about when customers don't know it exists. Secret number 10, heated mirrors, the button you've been ignoring for years. You've scraped frost off your mirrors in winter like a caveman. Meanwhile, your car had mirror defrosters the whole time. Just rotate your side mirror adjustment switch all the way down, not left, not right, down. Your mirrors heat up using the same system as your rear defroster. Rain? Gone. Fog? Gone. Frost? Gone. Most people discover this by accident. You now know the secret most drivers never learn. But it gets better. This next feature is hidden inside your key fob. Secret number 9, the backup key system that works even when your battery dies. When your key fob battery dies, most drivers panic, but every modern fob has a passive, no battery needed chip inside. Hold your dead key fob right up to the start button, and your car will still start using electromagnetic induction. No towing, no locksmith, no drama. And inside that same fob, a hidden physical key. Slide it out and you'll find a disguised keyhole under your driver's side door handle. Even with a fully dead car battery, you're still getting in. Now let's get wild, because the next one makes you feel like a cyborg. Secret number 8, the human antenna trick. Lost your car in a crowded parking lot? Hold your key fob against your head and press the button. Your skull, mostly water, acts like a signal booster, increasing range dramatically. It sounds stupid, it works stupidly well. But enough fun. Let's save you some actual money. Secret number 7, the transmission reset that can fix rough shifting instantly. If your transmission feels jerky, don't panic yet. Many modern cars learn your driving style, and sometimes they learn wrong. Turn off the engine, push the gas pedal to the floor for 15 seconds, let go, start the car. You just reset the transmission control module. It won't fix hardware issues, but it can fix bad shifting patterns instantly, possibly saving you hundreds before a mechanic even looks at it. But none of these matter if your tires can't keep you alive. Secret number 6, the penny test that reveals if your tires are dangerous. Stick a penny into your tread with Lincoln's head facing down. If you can see the top of his head, your tire is legally worn out and unsafe. Worn tires double your stopping distance in rain and make hydroplaning almost guaranteed. Check multiple spots. Uneven wear hides disasters. Now let's protect your transmission again in a way nobody teaches you. Secret number 5, the correct parking sequence that saves your transmission. Most people shift into park first on a hill, which slams your car's entire weight onto a metal pin the size of your finger. Instead, stop, shift to neutral, parking brake, then park. Your brakes hold the weight, not your transmission. This adds years of life to your drivetrain and stops those awful stuck-in-park moments. Now for the trick truckers use to save fuel every single day. Secret number 4, the 3-phase fueling method. Gas pumps shut off too early because of fuel foaming. Fleet drivers know this, so they fill in stages. Quarter tank, pause, half tank, pause, finish. Less foam, more real fuel. You get more mileage without spending more money. Next up, a steering wheel feature most drivers never touch. Secret number 3, the telescopic wheel adjustment that fixes back and shoulder pain. That little lever under your wheel doesn't just tilt, it pulls the wheel toward you or pushes it away. Your arms should be slightly bent at 9 and 3. This improves reaction time, comfort, and even airbag safety. Most drivers never adjust it once. Now you'll adjust it forever. 2 more, and these last ones, game-changing. Secret number 2, the vacuum cooling method for cars that feel like ovens. On a hot day, roll down your back windows and swing the driver door open and closed several times. It pumps scorching air out like a bellows, dropping cabin temperature by up to 30 degrees before you even start the engine. Your AC works faster and cooler, and your interior stops aging from heat stress. And finally, secret number 1, the emergency fuel door release that almost no driver knows exists. If your fuel door won't open, dead battery, broken actuator, whatever, you do not need a mechanic. Open your trunk, look on the side near the fuel tank. There's a tiny manual release lever or cable hidden behind a panel or carpet. Pull it and your fuel door pops open instantly. This feature is required by safety laws, yet millions of drivers don't know it exists. Now you do. And now you're officially the car expert your friends are going to message every time something goes wrong. If you want to unlock the hidden features inside your car that can save you thousands more, click the video on your screen. Trust me, it'll change the way you drive forever.